Hey guys, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So first of all, wishing you all a very happy Mahashivratri. May Lord Shiva bless you all with abundance of knowledge, abundance of good health, wealth, and may you all succeed in your career and may you all achieve your dreams. And I'm very happy to share that on this special day, we have another special occasion that your KSJ teaching is turning 7 today. That is on 18th of February 2023. This channel, this family is turning 7 years old. We started on 18th of February 2016. So on this special day, I'm inviting you on the behalf of the whole team of KSJ Teaching. I'm inviting you to the live session at 8 p.m. on your YouTube channel KSJ Teaching, where you will get to know the whole journey of KSJ Teaching from zero to more than 50,000 family members at this particular point of time. And we are ever growing with your help. So I invite all of you, whether you are only costing student, only FM student, only EFF student, old student who have studied from us, you are currently going through the live batch of the costing. It will just be a half an hour session, half an hour celebratory session, and sharing the knowledge and the skill journey, that how it all started and how we are planning to move ahead with this journey. Right, so all of you are invited at 8 o'clock on your YouTube channel. Save it in your reminders that you have to join in at 8 o'clock. It will just be a half an hour session because we have a regular YouTube class of costing after that. At 8:30 we'll be starting with the class. So 8 o'clock, I want everyone to join, whether you are a Hindi batch student, whether you are an English batch student, whether you are an old student, you have already studied from us, or whether you are currently doing it any subject, right? You are a part of the KSJ family. So see you guys at 8 o'clock. Let's have a very good, a healthy discussion, and I will share my journey with you. Goodbye, guys.